Hey everyone, in today's video, we're exploring the history of Orlando's underground music scene at the Orange County Regional History Center. We're here to check out the Figurehead Music and Mayhem exhibit. At the making of this video, the exhibit is running September 2022 to December 31st, 2023. Before we dive into the exhibit, take a moment and pause the video if needed to read this plaque. It tells the story of how this building served as a courthouse back in 1927. Today, the History Center has transformed into a 5-story museum, showcasing the rich history of this region. The Orange County Regional History Center is located in downtown Orlando. This exhibit offers a unique insight into how a company, Figurehead, played a pivotal role in growing the Orlando music scene, with a particular focus on underground rock music and the club circuit. Between 1985 and 2001, Figurehead, an Orlando concert promoter, helped breathe new life into Central Florida's music landscape. This exhibit offers a glimpse into what made this era in Orlando so unforgettable. Now, let's meet Jim Faherty, the owner and founder of Figurehead. Jim was originally from Pittsburgh, where he began promoting punk rock shows during high school. He came to Orlando for work after college, and with his past experience promoting shows, he jumped in and helped some local promoters. Jim played a crucial role in ushering in the underground music scene in Orlando. Let's take a stroll and check out the incredible flyers designed for concerts and shows that Figurehead organized here in Orlando. Drop a comment below if you spot any bands that you love. As we continue to explore the exhibit, you'll see the History Center added sections dedicated to the talented photographers and designers who helped contribute to some of the flyers and the local newspaper coverage for these shows. And here's a special section dedicated to one of the clubs that hosted many of Figurehead's shows, the Sapphire Super Club. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks as always for watching, and have a good one.